he's very caring and very protective, and is a very protective nature. When James is born, Jane will go to the stairs and say, check. Then would not stop until one of us went upstairs to check on James.
You're the first person I go to when I need advice about family, about life, about houseplants, about recipes. Honestly, I really appreciate it. You've always been super supportive towards me, most recently when I hurt my knee. You came in and checked on me, you came to appointments with me. I really appreciate it.
The fire and stone in places unknown. I'll never let go, I'll never let go. The fire and stone in places unknown. I'll never let go, I'll never let go. I thought I'd seen it all till I saw you.
Well, wonderful bride. So we met on Tinder, renowned long-term dating app, and we fell in love very quickly. And if you met Jade, it's very easy to see why. At the beginning, I wasn't too sure, not about her, but just about being in a relationship. I wasn't sure about it. Hence Tinder. Wasn't expected to meet my bride on Tinder, but I did. And I've had bad experiences in the past with people, and I struggle to trust people genuinely. I find it hard. So very quickly, I could just tell that Jade is just completely different to everyone else in the world. And I'm so lucky to have her in my life. She's just so down to earth, thoughtful and caring. She's all virtues. It's blown my mind just how crafty and creative you are. It's strange. She's more crafty and creative than me. And she turned our house into a home. She's the resident botanist, enunciate. I want to thank her, and thank you for everything you've done and continue to do to make our house a home. I just love you so much. Ever since I met you, my whole world changed. You completely reignited my faith in people, which is no small ask, and you helped me reprioritize what's important in my life. You've helped me in ways I'm still understanding, and it's really hard to explain how happy you've made me. To give yourself so completely to someone is scary, but there's no one in the world I trust more than you. I promise I'll always be by your side, for the big things and the small, when things aren't so good, and the ordinary times.
I promise to always encourage and support you through all your ideas, career voyages, and tax avoidance. I promise to be a loving and faithful partner to you, someone you can trust and confide in good times and bad. It cannot be a coincidence that we were born 12 days apart, because you are my soulmate, my sleepy bed, my bean. I love you.
So now it gives me enormous pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife.
As long as we've known Samir, he's never needed anyone or anything. He's been very happy, just doing his own thing. And he's faced challenges, but he's been resolute in finding solutions to those. And he's always done it in a completely self-sufficient manner. But now Jade has come along and changed everything for the better. And now you can share the load, not because you need it, but because you can. And while we all think you're very lucky to have found who you want to really live with, you're even luckier to have found someone who you can't live without.
We knew that he was a perfect match for Jade. His kindness, genuine heart, and unwavering love for her have brought us immeasurable joy. We are thrilled to officially welcome Samir to our family.